How cool is this floor plan? We are minutes from Playa Grande here in the Las Ventanas gated community. We're looking at a 3-bedroom home that has a theater room that can be used to host more guests. And we've got a spectacular floor plan for indoor-outdoor living. The best news about today's tour is that this home is exclusively listed by my colleague, Rosemarie Loza. Welcome to Walkthrough Wednesday. Rosemarie, tell us a little bit about this property.
I am super happy to show you this amazing house. It's a very illuminated house that has 3 rooms. It has a theater room that can also be used as an extra room because it has a complete bathroom. This house is located in the middle of the jungle actually. This kitchen is super practical. In all the rooms you can have the view of the amazing gardens and forests that we have around the house.
So here are some of the things I love about this house. First and foremost, it incorporates a ton of light into every space. Every room looks out into nature, and you also have this atrium layout separating the kitchen and living space from the bedrooms over there. So they've created this really neat design and floor plan that would allow for amazing airflow, all of that sunlight to come pouring into the natural space and then to brighten the home. Why don't you show our viewers around the home quickly so that they can get an idea of how things flow?
Of course, let's go. Every room has its own amazing view of the forest. You wake up in the morning and that is the first thing that you see. This is the second room. It's exactly the same. And in the future you can easily build an extra guest room there. And this is the main room. The main room has an amazing view also. And you can come to this terrace that you can make the most of it. Here you have 2 walk-in closets, one for the wife probably and the other one for the husband. And not only has a shower, but also has an amazing tub. Other thing that is important is that from this room you can also enjoy the view of the pool.
Or you can keep an eye on your kids as they're messing around in the pool. Really, I love that everything is arranged around the courtyard and the outdoor living space. It makes it feel very cozy, yet like you're still incorporating the outdoor spaces into the home itself. What's the asking price for this home?
$980,000.
If you want to know more about Casa del Sol here in the Las Ventanas gated community in Playa Grande, be sure to reach out to Rosemarie at cbpacificrealty.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Wednesday.